The Bombardier multi-level coach is a bi-level passenger rail car manufactured by Bombardier for use on commuter rail lines. The first units were delivered in 2006 and deliveries continued to 2014. There are 643 of these coaches in service as of 2015 on NJ Transit, XO, and MARC. NJ Transit received 429 cars, including 62 cab cars, while XO's predecessor, Agents Metropolitan Transit, received 160 cars, including 26 cab cars. The MARC order consists of 39 trailers and 15 cab cars for a total of 54 cars. The coaches were based on the Comet V and have a 2x2 seating arrangement and more knee and leg room than single-level coaches. The seats are also bigger and it is 15 to 30% more seating than on single-level coaches. The intermediate levels have 5 inward-facing seats on each side which flip up for wheelchairs or bicycles. On cab cars, a large equipment locker behind the cab replaces one row of seats. There are single-width side doors at intermediate levels for high platform loading, and similar doors outboard of the bogies except at the cab position cab car. The ladder doors of NJ Transit coaches are separate cab doors, allowing these doors to be used for both high and low platform loading. XO coaches have one-piece end door and drop tracks, which can be used only for low platform loading. There are also an automated announcement system and LED destination screens. 8 multi-level cars were previously designated for the now discontinued Atlantic City Express service. These included the addition of first-class seating sections and lounge facilities. After the ACES was discontinued in 2012, the cars were converted